Another topic is vitamins. What is the meaning for vitamins? Vitamins are derived from vital amines. Vitamins are is a low molecular weight, can be derived from vital amine. What is the meaning for vital amine means? Identify the amino compounds. Another one. Vitamins are essential for normal health, nutrition and maintain our health, prevent from certain diseases. Vitamins are can be classified into two types. Based on the solubility, vitamins can be classified in two types. First one is a fat soluble vitamin, another one is a water soluble vitamin. First one is fat soluble vitamin. Another one is water soluble vitamin. First one is fat soluble vitamin. What are the fat soluble vitamins? Vitamin A, D, E and K. These are the fat soluble vitamins. This one oily substance more rich in the liver cells. Another one, vitamin A and D are hydrophobic nature. What is the meaning of hydrophobic? Hydro means water, phobic means hating, water insoluble substance. So fat soluble vitamin, another name, water insoluble. This one, diseases, that is a deficiency. Malabsorption. What is meaning for malabsorption? Mean imperfect absorption of food material by small intestine. Another one, water soluble. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin B complex. That is B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B9, B12 and nicotinic acid, folic acid and vitamin C. These are called water soluble, less amount present in the body, water soluble substances. Another one is vitamin H, another name biotin. Biotin is a derivative of vitamin H. This one is an exception. This one is neither soluble water nor fat. Does not soluble in fat. Another one is a water. Is a sources liver, milk, etc. Deficiency, loss of hair and paralysis. These two are deficiency of vitamin H. Another one, vitamin 12. Cyanocobalamin is a derivative of vitamin 12. Vitamin 12 not present in the plants but present in the animals and microorganisms. Sources: yeast, fish, milk, egg, curd, etc. Deficiency, RBC deficient in hemoglobin. Another one is retard the growth. Another one is inflammation of tongue and mouth. Tongue and another one is mouth. This is vitamin 12. Another one is fat soluble vitamin. It is a vitamin A, retinol, vitamin D, ericocalciferol, vitamin E, tocopherol, vitamin K, phylloquinone, here retinol is a derivative of vitamin A, ericocalciferol is a derivative of vitamin D, tocopherol vitamin E is a phylloquinone is a derivative of vitamin K. What are the deficiency? Vitamin A, night blindness. Another one is vitamin D deficiency recurs. This most probably for the children's is a bowel ducts. Another one is vitamin E, sterility. Another one is vitamin K, poor coagulation of blood. These are the deficiency of vitamins A, vitamin D. Another one is vitamin E. Another one is vitamin K. These are water insoluble. That is fat soluble vitamins. Another one is water soluble vitamins. First one is vitamin B1. First one is vitamin B1, another one is vitamin B2 or G, another one is vitamin B3, another one is vitamin B5. So nicotinic acid is a derivative of vitamin B5. Pantothenic acid is a derivative of vitamin B3. So riboflavin is a derivative of vitamin B2 or G. Another one is thiamine is a derivative of vitamin B1. Another one, pyridoxine is a derivative of vitamin B6. Folic acid is a derivative of vitamin B9. Ascorbic acid is a derivative of vitamin C. What are the deficiencies of? These are the water soluble vitamin. First one is vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 is a derivative of thiamine. Thiamine can be derived from the vitamin B1. Is a deficiency. Beriberi. This for inflammation of nerves. Another one is chylosis. These are the crackings of lips, corner of mouth. Another one is vitamin B3. Retarded growth and retard the growth or mental growth or is a retard the body. Another one is vitamin B5 is a Velcro. Weld for skin. Skin is a damage. Another one is vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 used for vitamin B6, that is pyridoxine is a derivative of vitamin B6, is a deficiency causes anemia, vomiting, affect the CNS, central nervous system. Another one is vitamin B9. Folic acid is a derivative of vitamin B9, same. And retarded growth. Last one is vitamin C. Scurvy, break down the all nervous system or otherwise what poor coagulation of blood. These are the deficiency. These are the vitamins. First one is, so what are the fat soluble vitamins? Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, K. These are A, D, E, K. Here retinol is a derivative of vitamin A. Ericocalciferol is a derivative of vitamin D. Tocopherol is a derivative of vitamin E. Another one is phyloquinone is a derivative of vitamin K. These are the fat soluble vitamin, water insoluble. Another one is water soluble vitamins. Is vitamins B1. Thiamine is a derivative of vitamin B1. Riboflavin is a derivative of vitamin B2. So xanthotic acid is a derivative of vitamin B3. Another one is a nicotinic acid derivatives of vitamin B5. These are the deficiency. Another one is a pyridoxine is a derivative of vitamin B6. Folic acid is a derivative of vitamin B9. Another one is a vitamin is a C. This is ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid is a derivative of vitamin C. These are the diseases. So let us recap the nucleic acid and vitamins. Nucleic acid nothing but combination of sugar, base and phosphate group. What are the information? There are two bases, bicyclic compound, another one is a monocyclic compounds. Next, what are the different form of sugar? Another one is a phosphate. Next one is a Watson-Crick rule. It is a base present in the RNA, base present in the DNA. Next, Chargaff rule. These are the rule. Next, major difference between RNA and DNA. Another one is a function of nucleic acid. There are two types. There are two types of nucleic acid. First one is replication. Another one is protein synthesis. Protein synthesis can be classified in two types. First one is transcription. Another one is translation. Next, genetic code mutation. Another one is vitamins. Vitamins can be classified in two types. Fat soluble vitamin. Another one is water soluble vitamins. How to practice regularly? It will be good. Is a good luck.